equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this video, we will delve into the warranty process for the Huawei GT3 smartwatch. First, let's ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by checking your warranty status. You can find this information on the Huawei website or in the documentation that came with your device. If your watch is still under warranty, you're in luck. Next, let's look at common issues that might require a warranty claim. If your Huawei GT3 is not charging, or if the screen is unresponsive, these are valid reasons to consider a warranty service. Before proceeding, ensure that the device is clean and free from any debris. Use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe the screen and the charging port. Now, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Simply contact us, and we'll arrange everything for you. If you decide to proceed with a DIY approach, carefully remove the back cover using the plastic opening tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once opened, you may notice dust or moisture inside. Use the microfiber cloth to clean the internal components carefully. Next, check for any loose screws. If you find any, use your Phillips screwdriver to tighten them. This can sometimes resolve issues without needing a full warranty claim. However, if the problem persists, it's best to seek professional help. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what's wrong before committing to any repairs. If you're considering sending your watch for repair, remember that we offer a quote before repair. This means you'll know the costs upfront, avoiding any surprises later on. Once you've completed your checks, if the device still isn't functioning correctly, it's time to contact Huawei or your retailer. Make sure to have your proof of purchase handy, as this will be required for the warranty claim. In summary, always start by checking your warranty status and cleaning your device. If you encounter issues, consider our services for a professional diagnosis and convenient pickup and delivery. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, making your experience as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you navigate the warranty process for your Huawei GT3 effectively. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.